Work, 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 work.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be doing our bathroom organization video. As you can see, I have a mess everywhere. We haven't really organized the bathroom. We've been trying to. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what the drawers look like. It looks like it's kind of organized, but it's just kind of messy to me. I want to have things in place. Like here's just like a bunch of random stuff with the Q-tips. And then at the bottom here, we just have like medicines and bath bombs and just things that we probably don't even use. And this drawer right here, I have like old makeup, my nursing pads, and I don't even know what else is in here. So I kind of want to organize this down here. And then on the other side, we have like some of Gideon stuff, lotions, cleaner, rags. It's just a mess. So we want to have everything in place and kind of throw away the things that we don't use. And then up here we have some like everyday things that me and Gilbert use. And then at the very top, just again, just random stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that I emptied everything, I'm actually going to go ahead and vacuum in here because it's pretty dirty. So that's all I'm going to do, just vacuum before I start organizing again.
Why are you looking so handsome all the time, huh? Does it fit?
It should.
Baby, let me see that mug. Hi. Let me fix your hair. Okay. I got it.
It's gonna take a bit because I still have makeup in this box in here that I have to take out. Because was gonna leave my stuff here, but I don't feel like bending down to get things that I use every day. So I'm in there. Because I use some of it, so I didn't need all that stuff in there.
How about you do this? How about I do the restroom and then you go take a nap?
No, I want to do the restroom.
What do you mean everything's already done?
Okay, so as you guys saw, Gilbert ended up cleaning, and right here he's just showing how dirty our mirror is. He's all about cleaning, so for him, I'm sure he was happy that we're getting this video over with because it's been so dirty. So he's actually gonna go ahead and wipe things down. And I asked him what he used to wipe the mirror with. He said it was just water, but it did a good job. So I guess that worked. So he wiped down everything, and for some reason he decided to continue cleaning. So now he's actually gonna go ahead and wash the dishes that we have. And he hates doing dishes, so Gideon. 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 Why are you awake? Okay guys, so after about 2 weeks, we're finally done cleaning. This is how we're gonna leave it for now, but down here we just have like our face washing products, Gilbert's deodorants. Up here it's my stuff. So I have my headbands and hair clips in here, and then I have just like tampons, nursing pads, and panty liners on here. And yeah, down here is just Gilbert stuff. So up here's my stuff, and then my contact solution, some face creams that I don't really use, and then on this one I just have like my hair products and my dry shampoo and deodorant and things like that. Up there is still random stuff that I can't figure out where to put. And then on this drawer we decided to just leave the toilet paper, some cleaning products, and just more shower towels. We're just trying to keep having, like, we don't want to have too many things all in here, so we did throw a bunch of stuff away, you guys. And then here it's just things that we use every day, so just like toothpaste and Q-tips, things like that. And then on here is just my everyday makeup, like actual things that I use every day. It's just a little bit of everything. And then back there just my nail polish, and yeah, I like I said, I try to not have too many things so it looks organized. And then down here I just have some makeup palettes, and then my jewelry here, just the stuff that again that I use every day that I reach out for. And then on the other side here, it's just Gideon's shower things, so like shower things and lotion really. And then this little tub where I got it for Christmas, it just had a bunch of bathing things, so I put his shower toys in there. And then here's just my straightener and brush, some lotions, and then the medicine and rubbing alcohol, things like that back there. And then here's just like the makeup that I don't use every day, but I didn't want to get rid of. So that we're keeping it down there. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I got a new shower curtain as well. This is from Amazon if you guys are interested. But thank you guys so much for watching.